Hello and welcome to UM News. I'm Griffin Rerucha. UM has opened a new space that brings technology from across campus into a collaborative environment. Organizers say this will help students and community members develop products, businesses, and ideas. Allen, the co-director of the Innovation Factory, said this space was created so students could turn their dreams into a reality in a place that provides all the resources necessary. This factory has classes on how to use tools like laser cutters, 3D printers, and more. After completion of these classes, you can earn a badge that says you are trained to use this piece of equipment. Allen says their equipment can help you with a wide variety of projects.
We have a space we're calling the Tinker Space, where you could actually come in and pull a sewing machine out of a kit, fix something on your jacket. You can make stickers for your skateboard. You could dabble in things like DIY 3D printing, sensor technology. You could take a remote control car apart and hack it to do something else.
Zoe Sikora, UM student and intern at the Innovation Factory, says having these resources available in one factory makes creating easier.
They're bringing together all the technology from across campus and stuff like that to one space, so you don't have to hunt it down.
Allen says some students are already excited to spend time in this spot.
We had a student walk through on a tour this summer, and the student was so excited, and he walked up to me afterwards. He said, Brad, I don't know what I'll do here, but I know I just want to be here. And so that's so exciting for us, because that there's so much open-ended possibility with that. And so when you have a bunch of students that have that mindset, and then they're given tools and access to entrepreneurial courses and guidance, I think a lot of positive things could happen for the university and the community.
The Innovation Factory's mission statement is, "What will you create?" The Innovation Factory is located above the UM bookstore and is open now. Technology is always changing. That's why UM and the Missoula County Sheriff Department teamed up to teach drone safety awareness on campus. Community members and enthusiasts watched as drones flew around the oval. Autonomous Aerial Assistant Director Jalen Naylor says it's important to think about safety awareness for this rapidly growing hobby.
Today we have our first event of this week for the FAA's National Drone Safety Awareness Week with public safety. So we've invited the Sheriff's Department to bring a couple of their drones, one that they use in search and rescue, to help let the public understand a little bit more about what drones are used for.
Naylor says understanding drone safety is becoming increasingly important as more people begin to fly them. Thanks for watching UM News. Have a great day.